Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today you join me at Beamish Open Air Museum. Most people are going out the park, but I'm actually going in because it is a classic car rally on today. The rally is called the rally is called the Reliability Rally. Now the classic cars left at around about between 8 and 10 this morning, and they're due back between 3:30 and 7 tonight. So I've come down to see if I can catch a few of them coming back before heading home. Now the cars that are doing the rally are due to come back in about 15 minutes, but as it's a reliability rally, none of them might come back. These are for cars that are around about 100 years old, so yeah, we'll see what turns up. But regardless if any of the cars on the rally turn up, because we still have these lot. No, this is more me. So there you have it. That was a load of cars that were part of a classic car group. Some of them not so classic as well, but they were still nice. Anywho, the reliability challenge cars are very late. So yeah, not sure if I'm going to capture them. Well, unfortunately, the reliability rally, the cars haven't turned up yet. And just as I say that, the first of them arrive. What's the odds of that? Just as I'm saying I'm giving up, walking back towards the entrance, which I still am, because I'm walking in the opposite direction to where the cars will travel, so I should see them. The first ones appear. Only the 2 of them so far. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how many comes past. Looks like we've got a race in our hands. The third vehicle in the reliability challenge. And a tram. As you can see, everybody is vacating the park because the park is now closed. Now, the vehicles that form part of the reliability rally are about 2 hours late. So that means they're arriving just as the park is actually closing. Typical. But the park is open for an extra 2 hours to accommodate it. But all the attractions are going to be closed and all of the transport options. Hence, I'm a little bit sweaty because I kind of missed the last bus. Yeah. Anywho, I've decided to call it a day because God knows how long the cars are going to take to get here. There could be another 3 hours coming back in 1s and 2s like we've just been saying. So on that note, I'm going to call it a day. See you all in the next one. And now it's time to do your job.